In this video, we will explore how to use Ink to Math in Microsoft PowerPoint. So here I am going to show you how to convert handwritten math equation into digital text using the Microsoft PowerPoint's Ink to Math features. This tool is perfect for adding clean mathematical expression to your the slides quickly and easily. So let's start. First, open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentations and navigate to Draw tab at the top. So I just click on the Draw tab. I just select here the blank slides to add the equation here. And here in Draw tab in Convert group have a Ink to Math option. Then select the Ink to Math option. This opens up a spatial drawing area where you can handwrite your equation. I just click on it and you can see here you can write the math here. Bottom side you can see here the 4 option available. First is a one pen, second erase, and third one select and correct, and fourth one is a clear. So you can use these 4 option to write here math here. So I just click on the pen and write here the x is greater than y. Okay, so you can see here I'm going to write here the y, but here showing in preview showing it's 1, and for that I'm going to correct. Just click on the select and correct option. Okay, I just click on here and draw here the select and correct option, and you can see here the option the right. So I just click on the y and here you can see the y is showing. So this is a way you can use this third option. And eraser, just click on the eraser. You can erase anything, you can erase is easily. Okay, and if you write again, just click on the pen and just write here. And if you want to clear everything, just click on the clear option. Okay, so using a pen or mouse, write out the equation you want to add. The PowerPoint will automatically recognize a symbols, numbers as you write. So I just write here as same x greater than is y. Okay. Once you are done, click the insert and PowerPoint will instantly convert your handwritten equation into the digital text. Okay, now you can see the handwritten text is converted in digital text. You can see you can easily resize it. Okay, and you can easily move anywhere this text. Okay, with this text the equations and shape format tab also added. So you can use this shape format option to formatting on this equation, and you can use this different equation tools, symbols, and structure to create your equation. Okay, and that's it. How easy it is add the perfectly formatted math equation to your the PowerPoint slides. Try it out next time you are presenting the mathematical concepts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more PowerPoint tips.